Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 16th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about the storm system here moving across the country, and also a few out in the tropical Atlantic as well. You can see we got one just northeast of the Bahamas, moving on out into the tropical Atlantic. Got a little cold front stretching from just northeast of the Bahamas as well, all the way back just east of St. John's Island. Got a little low pressure system up here around portions of the northeastern U.S. across southeast Canada, stretching into Maine, New Brunswick, also in the portions of New Hampshire and also into Vermont. And then we got more activity over here in portions of Idaho, portions of Montana, over toward the Dakotas, also in through portions of Wyoming, Colorado, Utah, and also Nevada, and portions of California, and also across the Mexico region as well, a little bit across Texas, and also a little bit across portion of Illinois, Missouri, and also in the portions of the Tennessee region as well. Scattered activity down there across South America, also in the Eastern Pacific as well. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see we got some thunderstorms and showers up here around the Great Lakes region, around Lake Superior, Lake Huron, down toward Michigan, portion of Pennsylvania, Ohio, to Kentucky, to Indiana, to Illinois, to Missouri, to portion of Kansas and Nebraska. In the yellow slashed area here across Nebraska, Wisconsin, also Iowa, and also northern Missouri and western Illinois. Some severe weather possible. Some shower activity across portions of Minnesota to the Dakotas and the Nebraska. More showers and thunderstorms in portions of Arizona and also southern California, with mixed precipitation in California mountains over toward Nevada, also Utah, portion of Idaho, Colorado, also through South Dakota, Nebraska, and portion of Wyoming region as well. Alright, got some critical fire weather down in portions of Colorado, the portions of Oklahoma, Kansas, Texas, much of New Mexico, and also southeastern Arizona. Heavy snow over portions of Wyoming and Montana, with snow showers elsewhere in portions of Montana, Idaho, portions of Wyoming as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright, here's a look at your Friday forecast. Now you can see we got some showers up here for portions of New Brunswick, the Maine, down to Massachusetts, Connecticut, toward New York State. Thunderstorms and showers across southeast Michigan, over towards northern Michigan as well, around Lake Huron, Lake Superior. Also in the northern Michigan, Wisconsin, Minnesota, portions of South Dakota, down to Iowa, to Kansas, to Texas, Arkansas, over to portions of Kentucky, Ohio, and also portions of Pennsylvania and New York State. Severe weather from portions of Michigan all the way back into central and north Texas. You even got some flash flooding and heavy rain over portions of Arkansas into Missouri. Thunderstorms and showers over portions of Arizona and southern California, a little bit of a portion of Washington State with mixed precipitation there as well. Also Nevada, Utah, Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, portions of Nebraska, Kansas. We got some heavy snow over here in portions of Wyoming. And we got more snow showers in portions of Idaho, Utah, Colorado, also in the portion of Wyoming, South Dakota, and Nebraska regions as well. And a little bit of mixed precipitation in Wyoming and North Dakota also. Alright, otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Friday. Alright, let's take a look at the current watches, warning, advisory map for your locating across the nation. Alright, you can see we got the advisories up here in portions of New Jersey, Delaware, down toward Pennsylvania, also in the portion of Virginia, North Carolina, portion of southwestern Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Ohio, and also eastern Kentucky. Also special weather statements up here in portions of southern areas of New England area, and also down in southern areas of south portions of New York State, much of Georgia, portions of Kentucky, more over here in portions of Minnesota, Wisconsin, also in the portion of Iowa, and also in eastern South Dakota. A little bit of special weather statements in portions of Montana. We have some air quality alerts in portions of Nebraska. Even got some red flag warnings stretching from portions of Kansas over towards areas of Colorado, Oklahoma, Texas, New Mexico, and eastern areas of Arizona. Wind advisories over portions of Montana, also in the portions of areas of Washington State, Idaho, Oregon, Nevada, and Southern California region as well. High wind warnings over areas of New Mexico. Also, we have some winter weather advisory, winter storm warning, winter storm watches in effect for portions of the following states: Wyoming, Montana, Colorado, and Utah. Alright, the river flood warning is still in effect for you guys in Kentucky to southern Illinois, portions of Missouri, also in the portion of Arkansas, Mississippi, Louisiana, and East Texas. Alright, small craft advisory, gale warning stretching from northern Maine all the way down to the Rhode Island area, also Maryland vicinity as well, also northern areas of California all the way up to Washington State. Hawaii and Chain Island looks good, but some more small craft advisory, gale warning, storm warnings around the Alaska region, blizzard warning to the north, southwest, and some high wind warnings inland, and a little bit of storm warning right along the coastal areas of Alaska, and winter weather advisories to the southwest in Alaska as well. Alright, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is for your Thursday. Alright, we got general thunderstorms for portions of Las Vegas all the way over toward Marquette, Michigan, Detroit, Michigan, Fort Wayne, Indiana, Evansville, Indiana. Here is the portion of McCook to Kansas City, to Helene, Pierre, and also La Crosse and Minneapolis, Sioux Falls, South Dakota. And then we have in the slight risk, we have a Norfolk, Omaha, Lincoln, and Des Moines, Iowa. General thunderstorm for Fort Stockton, and also, like I said, back over towards California region as well. Alright, the tornado probability look like this: 2% in the green from Minneapolis down to 2 portions of Kansas City. Damaging winds, Minneapolis down to Kansas City, back over to Omaha, Lincoln, and Des Moines. 5% risk for damaging winds. Large hail looks like this: 5% from Minneapolis down to Jefferson City, Kansas City. 15% in the yellow slashed areas indicates that golf ball to baseball size hail could fall in this area from Norfolk to Omaha to Lincoln and Des Moines, Iowa regions as well. Alright, let's move on to your Friday outlook. Alright, you can see we got some general thunderstorms from Las Vegas to Phoenix, over to Grand Junction and Durango, areas of Colorado. Then we got a marginal risk from Midland, Texas, far north as areas of Green Bay with Wisconsin. Then we got a slight risk stretching from Abilene, Texas, all the way far north is Detroit, Milwaukee, Chicago, and Fort Wayne areas. Also Springfield, Illinois, down to Oklahoma and Fort Steele areas as well. General thunderstorm stretches over toward Watertown, Rochester, Buffalo, and also down to Little Rock, Arkansas as well. Alright, probability looks like this: 5 and 15% respectively. Alright, let's move on to day number 4, which is Saturday. We got more severe weather from San Antonio to Abilene, far north to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, including Evansville, Louisville, Little Rock, Dallas, Waco, Austin, and San Antonio. You're included in the slight risk of severe weather. Let's move to day 5. Looks like this: from Lupkins up towards St. Louis, Missouri, including Jackson, Mississippi, Memphis, Tennessee, Jackson, Tennessee, Memphis, Tennessee, Jackson, Mississippi is just west of you guys, Greenville, Mississippi, Little Rock, Arkansas, Shreveport down to Alexandria, Lupkins, and just north of Houston as well. So, and the remainder of the forecast period, just predictability, I think too low, or probability, predictability too low, potential too low for day 7, day 8, potential too low. Well, let's take a look at day 5 one more time. Here's day 5 outlook, and let's take a look at day 4. Here's day 4 outlook once again from Texas to Pennsylvania, or to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania regions as well. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video, consider subscribing. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Wednesday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.